Nicholas apartment, very close from Soy Bukhao. This is Ichiro Mansion. This one, Ichiro Mansion. I will ask how much he pay.
11,000 per month.
Monthly 11,000 baht. Belgian street food restaurant also here. Barber shop also. Hi. This is lobby.
This is not with bodyguards.
Where? Don't
Where
have.
outside?
Outside already.
Full of cats sometimes.
Cats here. Not...
Cats like
Ага. Ichiro, it's a Japanese name.
Yes. Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan is not Japanese.
No, China. Same. My mom sleep.
Where? In cabinet maybe?
Toilet.
In toilet? Your mother sleep in toilet?
Yeah.
What big room? Old but big. Not noisy nighttime.
Like me. Old but still beautiful.
But what is this? What is your cap?
Yes, a special hat.
From which country?
No money.
Many country. Maybe go lost. Not. But outside noisy.
No.
Not noisy. Oh, but balcony.
No. No have bars with music, so not noisy.
This is Soy Bukhao. This one is Soy Bukhao.
So the band.
Where is president? LK president. Another. Need go to straight.
Yeah. Не, just cannot see.
Okay. It's good. Light tap here.
Yeah.
It's okay, not need. I will filming outside. But this time it's not easy to find free room. Most of not available.
Yes. Or more is busy. From next month can get easy. Now still. Or it depends where you want. If you want to stay in Jomtien and Naklua, easy. But here in Central,
Because close,
anything close.
funny streets. Nicholas go to girlfriend house. You take already
1 minute.
after 1 minute.
Okay. See you soon.
See you after 2 days. Take care, Nicholas.
ประสาทจุฬา
That's a disaster.